what does cloud mean to Punter Southall Group? What is your experience to date, please?
I think what cloud computing means to us is being able to go to products run by someone else that allow us to be more flexible in what we do every day. As a company, we need to be agile. We're very entrepreneurial. As a group of companies, since I've been with them for 5 years, we've purchased 12 companies and sold on 2. So this flexibility, this agility, of which running my own services plus other people's, the cloud, is highly important to us as a business.
I think you really need to understand the service that's being provided and the services that the cloud provider delivers, because they're quite often very different to the IT providers that you're working with normally. And that means you may have gaps. And those gaps can't be filled necessarily that easily. You may have to go to special advocates, maybe specialist companies who provide cloud services. The big systems integrators do offer those services as well. But you've got to be very careful that you make sure that you cover that whole service, because just because it's in the cloud doesn't mean to say that cloud provider is going to be there forever, that it's going to do exactly what it says on the tin all the time. Things do break.
I have some particular challenges around storing large amounts of data. So at work we're now looking to store sensor data about an awful lot of movement of people around London, and therefore we do need the new approaches in order to be able to take the capacity and then use that and apply open source type techniques to analyse and understand what's happening around London. And the nearer we can make that in real time, the better we can change the response of the network to meet people's demands and ambitions.
So therefore the application stack's gone through a complete revolution in the last 5 years. So no longer do we spend long time procrastinating over big massive cost solutions. It's a case of, it's about agility, it's about mobility, it's about web enablement.